Those extreme winds ripping trees out of the ground and taking down power lines and causing massive power outages. Tonight, more than 12,000 people without power. KXLY 4's Caiti Currey working for you with a look at the damage the wind is causing.
Neighbors say that this tree already had previous damage to it, but if it were to have snapped the opposite direction, it would have fallen directly on this home behind me.
Fast winds and dust storms blew through Spokane as many watched in awe of Mother Nature's power.
Oh my gosh, no house was wiped out. A fence here was wiped out.
You could actually see the dust moving through town. It's pretty intense. I've never seen it like this before. The wind was blowing really hard. My son and I were outside, and soon enough, big branch right next to us.
A loud crack echoed through the neighborhood when the tall pine tree came crashing down. While no one was hurt, it was a close call as one neighbor drove through this alleyway.
She saw behind her that the tree was going, and she gunned her car and went up the alley and was able to avoid getting hit by the tree.
Both Avista and Spokane Fire visited the site to assess the damage, but the lines the tree is resting on are cable and telephone. Many others not as lucky. At one point, Avista reported over 12,000 customers around eastern Washington and North Idaho without power. Because the tree is blocking a roadway, the city will be responsible for removing it. Trees that fall on sidewalks and in yards are homeowners' responsibility.
Avista wants to remind all of their customers that if they see a downed power line, to stay away and call them as soon as possible. Reporting on the South Hill tonight, Caiti Currey, KXLY 4 News.
Those power outages changing all the time. At last check, over 5,000 Vista customers are still without power in the region. If you see a downed power line, first call 911, then report it to Avista. You can do so by going online or calling the number on your screen. If you need to report a downed tree, call Spokane City at 625-7733. Another reminder, if a tree is on a sidewalk or in a yard, it's the homeowner's responsibility.